The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for Boyd County in Kentucky, Carter County in Kentucky, Greenup County in Kentucky, Gallia County in Ohio, Jackson County in Ohio, Lawrence County in Ohio, and Meads County in Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a line of thunderstorms 21 miles west of Olive Hill, or 14 miles northwest of Moorhead, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm was located near Canonsburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Canonsburg, Ashland, Olive Hill, Grayson Lake State Park, Grayson, Carter Caves State Park, Rio Grande, Gallipolis, Oak Hill, Proctorville, Lake Vesuvius, Ironton, Coal Grove, Chesapeake, Rutland, Pomeroy. In addition, Jasling, Denton, Lode, Letitia, Old Town, Greenbow Lake, Rush, Garner, Colton, Princess, Naples, Greenup, Durden, Burnaw, and Catlettsburg. 1.5 to 3 inches of rainfall has already occurred over the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of 1¼ inches per hour are possible in the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile.